Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well. Today I want to show you one of the most powerful combinations for architects and urban designers. Google Earth Pro paired with Nano Banana, Google's image generation AI. By simply taking screenshots from Google Earth Pro and using Nano Banana and Google AI Studio, you can analyze urban context, change the weather and lighting, extract tall buildings and estimate their heights, view site topography, generate isometric and 3D views, extract site plans, and even place your own design realistically within the context. All of this with tools that are currently accessible to everyone. If you're interested in architecture, urban design, or visualization, watch this video until the end. Let's get started. To begin, we need to open the Google Earth Pro software. You can also take screenshots directly in the web version of the Google Earth. I zoom in to a specific area to take series of screenshots or save the image of that area. Google Earth Pro has the feature to display 3D buildings, which we can enable to view some buildings and towers in 3D. Let me find a nice view. Well, I think this is good. I'll let it be fully updated to clarify the image. Alright. Using this option over here, we can save each image. You can take screenshots yourself or just save them like I do. I name the file, hit OK, and done, the image was saved. Now I enter Gemini. The Google AI Studio will do the same. See which one you're comfortable with. I upload the saved image. And write our desired prompt regarding the extraction of context and annotation. I've asked to use the image as reference, annotate the urban context with labels for buildings, streets, and green spaces, generate a clean isometric view of the site. As you can see, the desired result can be displayed in this way. It's detected a few known buildings too. The desired output can be downloaded and displayed if need be. Back to Google Earth, I changed the view and saved the image of another location. Then go to AI again and upload the latest image. This time, I write a prompt regarding changing the weather, time of day, and lighting. I ask, based on the uploaded image, generate the same site as sunset with rainy weather, realistic lighting, and long shadows. As you can see, we got such a stunning output. I download it. And this is the image once again. We have two images by now. In Google Earth, I go to another location and just like before, find a better view and save the image or take a screenshot. On the website, I upload the image and this time, I enter the prompt for extracting elevations and topography. I'm asking to create an elevation diagram with contour lines, color-coded slopes, and highlighted tall buildings. And this is the output, which well pictured everything. I download and display it. Back to Google Earth, I change the area and go somewhere else. Okay, I'm checking for 3D buildings. Looks like we don't have any 3D buildings. That's fine, I saved the image. And write the prompt for extracting plans and site analysis. I'd like to extract a flat site plan with clean vector lines for buildings, roads, and approximate height labels on main structures. As you can see, the output has been extracted very well. It's amazing. I download the image. I get back to Google Earth and this time I go to a more different geographical location. I'm trying to adjust the view and save the image. Then, write the prompt for generating various views, isometric, axonometric, and 3D sections. I wanted to generate the 45-degree isometric view of the site like an architectural model, emphasizing building height differences. Here is the output. It's perfect. I download this too. Alright guys, we've nearly done with Google Earth. Just 2 more things I'm going to ask. So, among the saved images, I randomly upload an image. And I want to write a prompt for extracting taller buildings. So I'm asking based on the uploaded image, highlight buildings with relatively higher heights compared to surroundings using red outlines or color overlays. Generate a clean isometric view showing clear relative heights with labels on taller buildings. And this is the amazing output. All the higher buildings were outlined. I download it and go to the next one. This time I upload this image and write a prompt for identifying the tallest building and estimating its height. Here it is, the output has been clearly specified in text form. Alright guys, hope you're enjoying the video. If so, support us by hitting the like button, commenting, and subscribing to the channel. Until the next one, stay safe.